We are about to view the lovely Thompson Madrid Penthouse Suite. We're starting here on the 7th floor, and you'll notice there's a lovely elevator because every penthouse suite should have an elevator. And we're going now to the 9th floor, but there's actually a terrace on the 8th floor. And this is your private elevator for the penthouse suite. So that's sort of important to remember. There's that. It's super cool. So you can see the stairs down, and this is going to be entered. This is the amazing, basically parlor entertaining area of the penthouse suite. Absolutely fantastic views, fantastic artwork and furniture. Look at that view of Madrid. Just incredible. And once again, I'm going to pan back. You can tell there are so many separate conversation areas. So you can imagine this would work for so many different kinds of meetings and events. Just really, really special. Incredible, incredible suite to entertain in. But there's more. We're going to go up to the lovely bedroom areas right now, which you could take your private elevator for. But instead, we're going to walk up the stairs. And just a shot, that's where the elevator is. Look at the carpet on these stairs. So cool. And then that brings you to a landing. See the elevator? And then you're in a lovely hallway. And the hallway enters 2 separate bedrooms. Over here on the right, we have a twin room. So a room with 2 twin beds, which is right here. And then we have the amazing king bedroom. But it's way more than just a bedroom. It has an incredible, once again, an incredible seating area. And check out the artwork. Also, look at the very Calder-like mobile. But once again, lovely seating area. Really, really special. You can see that terrace area outside. Once again, incredible views. Remember, you're 1 floor above the parlor area, but the details are absolutely stunning. There's an incredible wine fridge and also a regular fridge. A couple of those photos we have in our little photo overview. And then that brings us to the bedroom. Lovely king bedroom. And one of the things that's so fascinating about this hotel, maybe not fascinating, but just lovely, is the light. The views and the light, absolutely stunning. We could not have picked a better day because it is the sunniest spring day, but absolutely incredible. And now, check out this bathroom. Check out all of the stone marble work. Absolutely stunning. There's the bathtub. And then this incredible shower. Once again, absolutely stunning amount of light in this room. And this is just such a absolutely incredible duplex penthouse. So we hope you will join us soon at the Thompson Madrid, which is the first of the Thompson properties by Hyatt in Europe.